Down by yon hill where the heather grows, I spied a young maid with her lambs and ewes. The lambs came friskling o'er the knowes, and the sun was shining clearly o. Says I, my fair and comely dame, will you be sae kind as to tell me your name, or tell me the place you call your hame? For your beauty shines sae rarely o. D'ye see on whose hint the trees? When I was born my feather he deed, my mither was left to be my guide, and she called me friendless Mary o. You see on whose hint the green, 'tis last 6 weeks I hinna been seen, my mither she closed her twa black een, saying fare thee well, my Mary o. Will you consent and gang with me, and be my bride across the sea? A broad-wayed man I'll be to thee, and you'll be nae mair friendless Mary o. Yes, I'll consent and gang with thee, and be your wife across the sea. A broad-wayed wife I'll be to thee, and I'll be nae mair friendless Mary o.